Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to review and demonstrate this new AI video making tool called Invideo AI. It is one of the best AI video making tool out there and it is free right now. Some people call it the ChatGPT of AI video making. So let me show you how that works. You can enter any prompt here and it will generate a video for you. There are certain workflows that works really well with this tool. You can say it's YouTube Explainer, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and some more. So let me show you how that works. We're going to proceed with YouTube Shorts. Now we're going to give it a prompt. For example, jobs AI will never replace. And from my experience, this is one of the best voices, a male with a Californian accent. That's it. We can also say don't use iStock because most of the times iStocks are premium and they have watermarks. So we hit on continue and we're going to click on generate a video. Then after a minute of analyzing your prompt, you will be taken to a page like this. You can choose your audience. You can choose the look and feel of this video. And you can choose the platform. Here obviously is YouTube Shorts. You can also go back and edit your prompt. And then you click on continue. Before we move on, I need your help. You see, YouTube likes to promote longer videos, and that's why you see 95% of the videos are longer than 10 minutes. I hate that. I value your time and I make videos no longer than they need to be. So if you agree with me, please like this video. It will help me against the odds and improve your recommendations too. And after waiting a couple of minutes, we got the video with an editor. Let's see how that works. We can start playing it.
Picture this, a future where artificial intelligence takes over every job. Sounds like a dystopian sci-fi, right? But wait, there are jobs AI will never replace. First up, we have skilled therapists. They provide emotional support and guidance, something that requires empathy, a human.
Looking pretty good. Now, if you want to edit something, there are two ways to do it. You can go to edit and you can either replace a stock footage. You can click here and then you search here and you can replace it. Or you can edit the script if you want. It just says editing like a normal editor. That's it, and you will apply changes. I don't think I need to edit anything here. You can also, since we call it the ChatGPT of video makers, you can also edit by a prompt. For example, you can say something like delete the second scene, make it shorter, make it longer. It will all work. Alright, let me show you how this works. You can prompt it something like change the intro slightly, and you click on generate. You wait a bit, and there we go. So we have it ready. Let's play it.
Imagine a world where artificial intelligence has taken over every job. Sounds like a scene from a dystopian sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But don't worry, there are certain jobs that will never.
Alright, and if you don't like it, you can always hit the undo. And that's it. And after you're satisfied and done, you can always click on export. And you click on export the video. So here is how the export looks like.
Picture this, a future where artificial intelligence takes over every job. Sounds like a dystopian sci-fi.
Now, there are watermarks here on the top of it and on the bottom of it. But for YouTube Shorts, I don't think it matters. You can always upgrade to the Pro plan to remove these watermarks. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to check out the tool, feel free to do it. The link is in the description down below. Thank you.